Now we're going to talk about the parts that go into our pre-packed merchandiser, or PPM. We have two different colors, green for Christmas and blue for Hanukkah. I'm going to demonstrate all of the parts with the blue. There's two sections to a PPM. There's a bottom section and a top section. The top section, after made, does connect and hook into the bottom section, making it into one piece. But first, let's define what goes into the bottom. There's a total of 7 pieces that make up this bottom. The first piece is one huge piece of corrugate, shown here in green. This piece is the piece that goes all the way around, otherwise known as the body. It goes all the way to the back. This is one big piece of corrugate. Then you have 6 other pieces. You have 3, marked at 4 white pieces, shown here. And all of these pieces are what makes up the shelving unit, which has large totes, medium totes, and then multi-channel ribbon up on top. So these 4 create this shelving unit. Then you have 2 more pieces of corrugate. This is just the normal standard craft color corrugate. This actually rests behind the shelving unit. And what it does is it takes up the space between the back of the shelving unit, because this does not go all the way back, and the back of the display, so that the shelving unit doesn't tilt backwards. Then you have your roll wrap divider right here, and that goes in between the rolls, as you can see here, and it separates them so that it maintains design integrity. So that's the bottom. I'm going to put these away for a second. And then we will talk about all of the pieces that go into the top. So for the top, we have this big green piece here. And you see it has the logo on it, which is upside down, as well as these little flaps here. The logo is obviously here on the display. And those little flaps are what folds down and goes in between each row. So that's the base, the wraparound for the top part of the unit. Then you have a total of 10 other components, which I'm going to lay out here so that you can see what they look like. You have 3 large pieces right here. You should make sure that you have all those when you're checking in your display. You can see, you have a little die cut there. And you have a bunch of smaller components shown here. And all of these are used to put together the top. Now I'm going to let Benji demonstrate how all of this is actually put together.